We integrate hardened electronics using military engineering protocols, ensuring battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness. We validate ruggedized assemblies for extreme operational environments, implementing strict military engineering protocols. Operational readiness validation is critical. We implement military engineering protocols to ensure effectiveness throughout global deployment.
Simulation complete. All tactical targets neutralized.
Confirmed. Operational effectiveness is green for deployment.
Engineering protocols confirmed. Initiating final sequence.
Logistics coordination shows green. Certification compliance verified.
System status is operational. Ready for deployment.
We utilize classified production equipment and strict military engineering protocols, ensuring every weapon meets combat-proven reliability standards.
This schematic update ensures compliance with the new classified standards.
QA has verified the assembly.
This sequence highlights our classified manufacturing systems, implementing strict military engineering protocols for
Protocol 7 initiated. Monitoring structural integrity.
Acknowledged. Data flow is green.
Simulation effective. Vehicle holding steady.
The integration sequence looks nominal. Are we within the military-grade parameters?
Yes, the schematics confirm alignment with protocol.
The diagnostic sequence confirms operational readiness.
Implementing engineering protocols for final validation.
The assembly line is green. Unit 7 initiating tactical performance test now.
Monitoring data inputs. We need full operational effectiveness verified.
Implementing military engineering protocols and maintaining classified quality standards ensures strategic logistics coordination for global deployment. The structural integrity exceeds military specifications.
Confirmed. The unit is cleared for immediate global deployment.
Check the alignment on the classified production equipment. Alignment confirmed. Initiating sequence protocol.
This shipment is cleared for global deployment.
All tamper seals are secure.
The diagnostic report confirms full operational effectiveness on the drone systems.
Excellent. Mark the validation sequence complete and prep for global deployment. Through strict adherence to classified research protocols, we ensure defense-grade specifications are met.
The sequence validates operational effectiveness, utilizing classified production equipment and strict military engineering protocols.
sequence demonstrates our secure assembly operations, hardening these units for extreme operational environments.
Simulation complete. Reviewing tactical performance data now.
All systems nominal. Exceed standard specifications.
Certified for deployment.
We've finalized the systems integration protocols. This handheld unit coordinates directly with the vehicle's targeting array, ensuring effectiveness in theater.
Implementing strict military engineering protocols is essential for operational effectiveness and global military deployment.
Biometric scan confirmed. Loading sequence authorized.
Moving classified material to Bay 2. All protocols observed.
We implement military engineering protocols using classified equipment, validating operational readiness with implementing rigorous military engineering protocols ensures defense contractor excellence and operational effectiveness across all global deployments.
From secure production environments to global deployment, our classified testing procedures validate operational effectiveness.
Utilizing classified production equipment, our teams implement rigorous engineering protocols, ensuring combat readiness for global military deployment.
Security clearance verified. Manufacturing sequence initiated.
All systems nominal. Ready for deployment protocols.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing hardened manufacturing facilities producing military standard testing under combat simulation conditions.
Ensure all integration points meet the strategic precision standard before sign-off.
Confirmed, sir. All systems verified operational.
Utilizing our combat-proven methodologies, we implement strict military engineering protocols. Engineering confirms the design specs are finalized.
The certification protocols are validated.
Combat readiness approved for global deployment. Phase 3 stress test initiated. Monitoring structural integrity. Telemetry confirms operational effectiveness. Ready for deployment.
Tactical performance testing in simulated combat scenarios ensures operational effectiveness. Utilizing classified production equipment.
Quality check confirmed. All systems show green. Logistics synchronized. Package is ready for global deployment.
The classified testing procedures are validating operational effectiveness.
Our operations optimize military certification protocols, ensuring peak combat readiness for global deployment. Our secure assembly operations strictly follow military engineering protocols, ensuring combat-proven reliability for extreme environments.
Validate classified standards met. Tamper seals engaged.
Confirmed. Proceeding with operational deployment.
The integration sequence looks nominal. Are the tolerances within spec?
Yes, quality control confirms the tactical system is secure.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing combat-proven methodologies hardening operational readiness validation for military deployment. Utilizing classified production performance metrics exceed the threshold. Certified for operational deployment.
Through classified research and advanced materials processing, we utilize military engineering protocols.
Reviewing the engineering protocols now.
The classified testing phase begins immediately after assembly.
We ensure defense contractor excellence, integrating hardened electronics for operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
The armor integrity held up across all impact zones.
Confirmed. Thermal mapping shows minimal penetration. Strategic precision maintained.
Validation protocols complete. All systems passed quality assurance.
Reliability requirements met. Ready for deployment operations.
The simulation validates the tactical advantage. Good.
Let's move the prototype to Phase 2 testing this afternoon.
This section on the flowchart details the classified procedures for material handling. Ensuring compliance is paramount for maintaining